good evening, guys. I am here at TBO TK, and I am together with Miss Regine Tolentino. So I am asking her for an inspirational message to all of you, or for hoping to become like her in the future. So pakinggan po natin ang message ni Ma'am Regine.
Ayan po, hi! If you guys want to be like me, isa po akong mommy, negosyante, and professional dancer and instructor. Ayan, just stay positive. Just keep on focusing on your goals and working to make yourself better every single day. And of course, always stay humble and positive. God bless you guys and see you soon. More power.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you po. And I watch your vlog in Asoya, Palawan. Yes, I'm a follower.
Oh, good for you. I appreciate that. Thank you so much.
So yun, thank you po. God bless po.
Yeah, support that. Like, follow, comment, subscribe.
Thank you po. Ingat po, ingat po. I hope you enjoy ang TK. Sige, thank you po. Thank you po. God bless po. So yun lang po. Thank you, guys.